going to do a guessing game here. Guess what percentage of renters in the United States of America have renters insurance?
30%.
Nail on the head, Dad. 37%. The majority of renters are completely unprotected if their apartment burns down or gets robbed. Well, not burns down. It would be obviously the landlord's policy for that, because they would have to pay for the property depending on how that whole thing is structured. But would you be able to, through the landlord's policy, if your place burned down and you didn't have renter's insurance, get reimbursed from your landlord's policy for that place that you don't have anymore? Or do you need to have that renter's policy?
You need to have your own insurance policy. The reality is the landlord is only going to insure what the landlord needs to have insured, which is the structure itself and the loss of their rents. That's because of the bank wants, right? Most landlords have a loan on their property. They don't own it outright free and clear. And so they have a liability policy. They've got a property policy. They have these kinds of policies they need. And they're doing that for their protection, not yours. Same thing with like storage facilities, right? Same idea. You're running a storage locker somewhere. It's pretty secure. They got cameras up, that kind of stuff. But in reality, if something happens, like the place burns down, it's your contents coverage. It's your personal property that has to be insured. And that's what renters policies do.